Hello students. Today our topic is to find the graphically solution of a linear equation with two variables. You know in the previous chapter that you have to learn how to plot the points on a graph. You know each equations which has two variables have many solutions. How them you show that the points on the coordinate plane. We know that the polynomial equation just like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is called the linear equation. It is called the linear equation, and its geometrically representation is we know that its geometrically representation is always a straight line. Means if we show it on a graph, then you will find that its solution will always in a straight line, always in a straight line, just like this or this or this or this. means जो solution है वो हमेशा ही एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ੋ ਹੋਏਗਾ. ਲਾਈਨ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਟ੍ਰੇਟ ਲਾਈਨ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ. ਇੱਥੋਂ ਐਵੇਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਐਕਸ ਐਕਸਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਟ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਵਾਈ ਐਕਸਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਟ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕ੍ਰੋਸ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ. ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਟ੍ਰੇਟ ਲਾਈਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਉਹ. Now we have a sum. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables, where equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Now we know in the previous exercise we have already done to find out the solution of a linear equation with the two variables. We will put the value of x and find the value of y. Put x is equal to, first x is equal to 1. We will find 1 plus y is equal to 4. Value of y is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. We find that when we put the value of x is equal to 1, then we find value of y is 3. Now we will put the value of x is equal to 0. Then we will find value of y is equal to 4. When we put value of x is 0, then we find value of y is equal to 4. Now we will put the value of x is equal to minus 1. When we put the value of x is equal to minus 1, then we find minus 1 plus y is equal to 4, and y is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now we have to show all the values on the graph paper. Here I have to draw one graph. We know on this axis horizontal axis, and it is a vertical axis. Horizontal axis is called the x-axis and vertical axis is called the y-axis. Or we can say the other name of x-axis is horizontal line and other name of y-axis is vertical line. In the middle it is a origin. Now we have to show the points on this graph. We have points x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. First of all, we will take the points on the x-axis. It is we know it is a first quadrant, it is a second quadrant, it is a third quadrant, and it is a fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, both values, here x-axis is positive and here on this line x-axis will be negative. Y-axis is positive and y-axis negative. Then we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Minus 1 niche, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Here points will be positive 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to draw the points. First point is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 will be 1 x point of x is 1 and point of y is 3. Then we will find the point here in front of 1 and front of 3, we will mark it 1 and 3. Next point is 0 and 4. Point of 0 and 4, x point 0, y 4. Then point will be denoted here. It is called 0 and 4. Third point is minus 1 and 5. Minus 1 and 5. Front of minus 1 and 5. It is minus 1 and 5. Now join the three of the points. We find that it line is a linear line. Linear line, it is a straight line. So our solution is right. If line will be this type, our 3 points will be this type, it means there is some problem in our answer, in our solution. This is a wrong answer. Line always be a straight line.